Oh, God, yeah. Little salt and pepper, a little bit of salt and pepper for the girl that was salt shaking. Seen her at the club, she was looking beautiful, but I didn't seen another girl like her. I seen a girl like her friend. What you wanna do? You need a little salt and pepper. What you need a little bit of salt and pepper if you wanna have a little bit of sex with me and my friend. I'm not down for that. My partner said he wanted to have a threesome. Nope, I want to have a threesome with two girls. Like I did. Like a king. Had two girls in the bed next to me. Pump one, turned over, pump the other one. Like a legend. Did it for fun. They loved me. They loved being in the middle. I was in the middle. Like a Skittle, cream Skittle. Felt like the king of the principal. And the principal in the top of the school with 3 doctors to lose. Anybody that wanted to practice, anybody that wanted to crack my back, you fucking bastards, understand. Whoa, 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 what the fuck you doing? Salt and pepper, let me explain why I say this. Salt and pepper, let me explain why I say this. Salt and pepper, let me explain why I say this. The thing that the girls do is outrageous. Salt and pepper, let me explain why I say this. Salt and pepper, let me explain why I say this. What these girls do is outrageous. What the girls do is outrageous. Seen one walking down the street one time, I thought she was beautiful. Asked her, what is your Twitter? She said, blah, 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 at the member. I said, okay, so I'm gonna hit you up later. Looked, she was followed about 500 rappers. Okay, so you're a dirty disaster. What you wanna do, hungry or hungry? But she's hungrier than the hungriest. Hungriest chimpanzee. She's like a wild chimpanzee, hunting for prey. Girl out here hunting for nuts. Should've been a squirrel out here hunting for guts. Like a slug. I'm a magic gnome, magic phone. Understand, I got magic about the phone. So bass. So bass today. So bass, I'm riding down the street in LA. Feeling beautiful, just got done drinking a smoothie. Took a cleanse. Got done smoking a blunt. Feel relaxed. You know I'm so fly. You know I'm so cool. You know I'm so fly. You know I'm so cool. Space freestyle.